Hello, this is a walkthrough video of how to back up the database on your DigitalOcean managed Kubernetes clusters using the newly released agent via SnapShooter. The agent for DigitalOcean managed Kubernetes creates a persistent communication channel from your Kubernetes cluster to the DigitalOcean SnapShooter network, allowing you to create and manage data backups of your clusters. In this video, we'll explain how to install the agent on your Kubernetes cluster, how to configure your backup policy, including setting your frequency and retention policies, and how to manage your backups. To get started, we will need a DigitalOcean account with a managed DigitalOcean Kubernetes cluster, a SnapShooter account connected to your DigitalOcean account. This can be created and accessed either via SnapShooter.com or the SnapShooter application on the DigitalOcean marketplace. Once you have those together, you can head to SnapShooter, where you can find a list of all your DigitalOcean resources on the left-hand panel. Under the drop-down, click the Kubernetes section to find all of the Kubernetes clusters on your account. You can find a relevant cluster by either navigating through the list of clusters or by searching for its name. You'll see an option on the right-hand side of the cluster to install agent. Click this to start the process of installing the agent onto your cluster. From here, select your container and namespace of choice. I'm already running DigitalOcean's managed MySQL database into this particular cluster, and so I selected the MySQL agent container. You can choose from MySQL, PostgreSQL 14, 15, and 16, and MongoDB. On the next screen, you can specify which particular flavor of MySQL you'll be using. As before, I'm running a DigitalOcean managed MySQL database, and so I selected the respective option. Here, you can enter the configuration variables for setting up the connection to your database, the options to run any scripts prior to and after backups, and additional settings on how the backup should run. Test your configuration in just one click. You can choose to store your backups on either your own storage or a managed storage option. Choosing your own storage allows you to easily connect your DigitalOcean Spaces bucket. From this point, you can set your backup policy with your choice of frequency and backup time options, as well as your retention policy with your choice of daily, weekly, and monthly backups to retain. Set schedule and finish. Congratulations, you've now set up backups for your DigitalOcean managed Kubernetes data. This dashboard is where you can manage your backup. Here you can find the details of your backups. You'll find additional options to create an instant backup, create URL triggers to start a job, set encryption for your backups, and add secondary storage. Scrolling down also presents a dashboard of your backups where you can get a view of the full timeline, just the completed backups, manual backups, failed backups, or expired backups. And that's it. That's how you can create and manage backups for your DigitalOcean managed Kubernetes data. Thanks for listening. For more information, feel free to check out our documentation at digitalocean.com/docs or reach out to support.